If you find yourself getting out of breath when you go for a walk, today I would like to try and fix that. So one of the things I've noticed since I started doing breath work with people is that there is a difference between breath work with stillness and breath work with movement. And that's a problem because traditionally when we teach people how to breathe, we usually get them into like a calm, comfortable seated position, and we do all the work with them there. And I've found over the years that I've had some people who tell me that, they've progressed quite a lot with this seated, comfortable, calm breath work, but they still get out of breath every single time they go for a walk. And the reason for this is that you have a lot of different muscles for breathing, but only a couple of them are actually primarily there for breathing. A lot of them have other functions as well. So you've got like the big one is the diaphragm. It's going to be primarily there to help you breathe. But for a lot of people, especially when you're dealing with stress, the diaphragm gets pushed to the side quite often. Then you start using these secondary muscles for breathing, which are things like the pecs and the lats and the traps. Those are not necessarily just for breathing. They actually help to move your arms around as well. And this is going to be a problem then if you go for a walk and these muscles are trying to swing your arms and control your breath at the same time. That's going to require quite a significant amount more coordination than if you were just seated in a calm, comfortable space. So today I want to teach you a little drill that's going to help you teach those muscles to coordinate while you are walking with a nice arm swing. The exercise is called a breath walk, and in its most simplest form, it's just basically a breath in and a breath out every time you take a step. So I would go right foot, breath in, left foot, breath out, right foot, breath in, left foot, breath out. Fast, it would look like, okay? Then we're going to try and build it up for longer and longer inhales and longer exhales. And what we're going to do is rather than doing a continuous breath, we're going to do separate breaths, okay? So when we move up to the second round, we're going to do inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. And rather than like a continuous breath for 2 steps, it's going to be followed by, okay? Then we can build it up to 3, so that would be, okay? And you're just going to keep progressing this to find the largest number in the chain that you can do continuously while you're walking. And basically every single one of those separate breaths is going to teach the secondary muscles for breathing what they need to be doing while they are doing the arm swing at the same time. And if you want to get ultimate mastery over your breathing, especially while moving, I'd recommend you build this up until you can do a round of 20 inhales and 20 exhales. So that's the breath walk. Let me know what you think of it. If you find that this is helpful, I would absolutely recommend reaching out and maybe working together. There's a lot more we can explore in this area of breath regulation and making it efficient for movement as well as calming the mind. Otherwise, let me know any other videos you'd like me to cover. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.